Hello, this is the DELUX KS200D keyboard. It has quite a few interesting and unique background lighting options. The current one that I have selected here is called Stars Twinkle. You can set any of its choices between a brightness of 0, which is off, all the way up to 15. This is currently at its brightest at 15, and from a speed from 1 to 5. This is currently at its slowest at 1. I'll show you a few others. I'm about to apply is called Rich and Honored. And this is at its brightest and its fastest, and we can slow it down to a speed of 1. And we can reduce the brightness first halfway to about 8. And we can reduce the brightness all the way to 1 if you like, just to see it. Kind of barely looks like an odd flicker to me. Personally, I think most of the options here are very gimmicky, too flashy and obnoxious for the liking of my taste. I prefer the option called Steady, which is just simply on, and I leave it at the max brightness. Then you have the option of using the button over here to either toggle between volume or to quickly turn the brightness all the way down or all the way up. And to me, that's the simplest option to utilize for that. When it comes to typing, the macro settings on it are pretty easy to utilize. The keys themselves are very comfortable. And overall, I've been rather happy with the keyboard so far. Thank you.